Noise pollution. Important points. Grades of ambient noise pollution are as follows according to Noise Pollution Control and Regulations Rules 2000. Industrial areas 70 to 75 dB, commercial areas 55 to 65 dB, residential areas 45 to 55 dB, silent zone 40 to 50 dB, indoor limit less than 30 dB according to WHO. Noise greater than 75 dB over long exposure can cause hearing damage. Noise above 120 dB can cause biochemical changes in human bodies. Additional information. Section 2A of the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 includes noise in the definition of pollutants. Noise pollution control and regulation rules 2000 are framed under the Environment Protection Act 1986. The frequency range between 20 to 20,000 Hz is an audible range for the human ear. A firecracker generally generates about 125 dB of noise, according to a 2015 report by the European Commission. 1.3 billion people suffer from hearing impairment due to noise exposure.